All right, guys, this just arrived. We got the P3 from xTool, our new laser. Let's get it unboxed. All right, we're gonna try to cut out a bunch of things using the P3 and the conveyor system. As you can see, the conveyor is pulling and pushing the material in and out as the laser is cutting it. So they're working in tandem, and then it's going to feed out the back. You can see we already did a test cut there. All of the smoke is going out that tube and into this filter here. We will replace that after we're done. But all that is going through the cyclone and getting through here. And then all of these are a big stack of a bunch of different filters. So all of that air is getting filtered, and then it's coming out the back right down there, and it's exhausting out nice clean air for us. This filter automatically connects with a Bluetooth connection, so it'll automatically turn on when we start the machine. So I hit that button, the fan in here kicked on, it's sucking the air out, and it's creating enough to suck out all of the gases and fumes and smoke all out there and getting it all filtered automatically. And then it'll run about 10 seconds, but you can adjust it. I've got it set to run 10 seconds after the machine stops to kind of get the rest of the smoke out. And that's what it looks like after it cuts it out. It did cut pretty clean. The first cut that I did was cleaner, and I don't know why, but I did have to do 2 passes when I did the rest of it. So I did a test cut on the end, and then I cut a whole bunch because that worked really good. And for some reason, you know, it was just like a little bit off. I had to do another cut, but everything is good. It looks good, pretty clean. So we'll just wipe that off. You see we're getting a little bit of soot there. We'll just wipe that off with a wet rag and move on.